Most people think the heart or brain is the most important organ in the body. But there's another organ that works non-stop every single day, cleaning your blood, processing what you eat, breaking down toxins, and keeping you alive. And here's the crazy part. You probably never think about it until it starts failing. In this video, we're revealing the organ you forget, but can't live without. Have you ever woken up in the morning, brushed your teeth, grabbed your phone, and started your day without giving a single thought to the organ that's been working non-stop since you went to bed? Not your heart. Not your brain. It's an organ in your body that quietly cleans your blood, processes everything you eat and drink, neutralizes toxins, stores energy for emergencies, and helps keep your immune system running smoothly. Yet most people only remember it when something goes wrong. That organ is your liver. And by the end of this video, you may never ignore it the same way again. Before we go any further, if you enjoy learning simple science and health tips that connects directly to your everyday life, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone you care about, because what you'll learn today could genuinely make a difference. Now, let's talk about the liver in a way you've probably never heard before. Think about a typical day. You wake up late. You're rushing. Maybe you skip breakfast or grab something quick. Later, you eat lunch outside, fried food, soda, or maybe something sweet. In the evening, you're tired. You take a painkiller for a headache. Or you have a drink to relax. Then you go to bed. Here's the part most people don't realize. Every single thing you just did, everything you ate, drank, swallowed, or absorbed, was processed by your liver. Quietly. Faithfully. Without complaints. Your liver is like the most responsible worker in your body. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't clock out. It doesn't ask for praise. It just keeps going. And yet, most of us live as if it doesn't exist. The liver is one of the largest organs in the human body, and it sits just under your ribs on the right side. But its real importance isn't its size, it's its role. Your liver acts like a highly advanced chemical factory. It filters your blood, removing toxins before they can damage your brain, heart, or kidneys. It breaks down alcohol. It processes medications. It converts food into energy and stores it for later use. It even helps regulate your blood sugar, so you don't crash or feel dizzy between meals. In fact, if your liver stopped working properly, your entire body would begin to shut down, often faster than people expect. And here's something that surprises many people. The liver can be seriously damaged without causing pain at first. That's one reason liver disease is often called a silent condition. You might feel tired and blame stress. You might feel bloated and blame food. You might feel weak and blame a lack of sleep. Meanwhile, your liver could be struggling quietly. If this video is already opening your eyes, take a second to like this video. It really helps the channel reach more people who need this information. Now, let's make this even clearer. Imagine two people. One drinks alcohol occasionally, eats reasonably well, and takes medication only when necessary. The other drinks frequently, eats heavily processed foods, uses painkillers regularly, and barely drinks water. From the outside, they might look fine. But on the inside, their livers are living very different realities. Your liver is incredibly resilient. In fact, it's one of the only organs that can regenerate itself. You can lose up to 70% of your liver, and it can still grow back if the damage stops. But, and this is a big but, regeneration is not infinite. Constant overload eventually overwhelms even the strongest system. Fatty liver disease, for example, is no longer rare. It's now one of the most common liver conditions worldwide, and many people who have it don't drink alcohol at all. It's linked to diet, lifestyle, and metabolic health. This means you don't have to be an alcoholic to damage your liver. You just have to consistently ignore it. Now pause for a moment and think about this. How often do people talk about liver health compared to heart health or brain health? Almost never. Yet your heart depends on clean blood. Your brain depends on balanced chemistry. Your immune system depends on proper metabolism. All of that goes through the liver first. This is why the liver fits perfectly into today's title. It keeps you alive every day, but you rarely think about it. If you're finding this video educative and relatable, this is a good moment to subscribe to this channel. We break down health and science in ways that actually make sense for real life. Let's talk about something everyone has experienced: medication. Painkillers. Antibiotics. Supplements. Herbal remedies. Many people assume, if it's sold over the counter, it must be safe. But what most people don't realize is that nearly all medications are processed by the liver. Taking higher doses than recommended. Mixing medications with alcohol. Using drugs long-term without medical supervision. All of these put extra strain on your liver. Your liver doesn't judge. It just tries to cope. And sometimes, it pays the price. Here's another scenario. You know someone who suddenly starts feeling weak, yellowing of the eyes, or swelling in the abdomen. Everyone is shocked because they were fine last year. In many cases, the damage had been building quietly for years. That's the danger of ignoring an organ that doesn't scream when it's hurting. If you think someone you love should hear this, share this video with them. It could spark a conversation that actually matters. Now, here's the hopeful part, because this is not a fear video. Your liver responds incredibly well to care. Simple things make a huge difference: drinking enough water, eating healthy foods, reducing unnecessary medications, limiting alcohol, maintaining a healthy weight, getting enough sleep. These are not extreme measures. They're daily choices. And the liver notices them almost immediately. When people change their habits, liver enzyme levels often improve within weeks. Fat accumulation can reduce. Energy levels rise. Digestion improves. Even skin clarity can change. That's how central the liver is to your overall well-being. And yet, most people wait until there's a problem before paying attention. Let me ask you something important. If you had a machine in your house that cleaned your water, filtered your air, stored backup power, and protected your family, would you ignore it until it broke? Of course not. But that's exactly what many of us do with our liver. If this video has shifted your perspective even a little, don't forget to like it. It tells YouTube that content like this is worth showing to more people. As we come to the end, here's the key message I want you to walk away with. Your liver is not just an organ you learn about in biology class. It is an everyday guardian of your life. It works silently, constantly, and loyally. The least we can do is acknowledge it and take care of it before it demands our attention through illness. So today, maybe you should drink an extra glass of water. Rethink that unnecessary pill. Consider choosing a meal that helps, instead of harms. Small actions. Big impact. If you want more content that explains the human body, health, and science in ways that actually connect to real life, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. And please, share this video with someone you love.